How to create an invoice on Square. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create an invoice in Square Up. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over Square or squareup.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to find the dashboard like this. Now we're going to head over the left side of screen and click on Payments and Invoices. You can go ahead and find the invoices here, or you can go ahead and click on Send an Invoice on the home page. So I'm going to head over here, click on Invoices. We're going to click on the overview. You can see all the invoices that we have, but also we can go ahead and click on invoices like that and create an invoice. So when you are going to create an invoice, we have three options: the single invoice, batch invoice, and the recurring one. The batch, we're not going to talk about it because it is going to be on the Plus plan. So it is going to be a subscription needed to get this batch created. So we are going to only set up a single invoice. The recurring one is going to be also simple. So you are going to have everything set up just monthly or weekly or yearly. It's a invoice. So now let's start about or with the middle section or the middle screen. We have the details of that invoice, like the customer name, for example, or the customer details. You can go ahead and create a new customer or choose a customer like this with the address, the let's say zip code, email address, and also the name. The invoice title, you can go ahead and give it a title. Service date, for example, the extension of the date. The invoice ID, it is going to be automatically set up by having a +1 on here. The message, and also the item. You can go ahead and create or select an item or scan an item by clicking on this. There's going to be a scanned barcode. So after that, you're going to put maybe this item like this, and then you're going to see that you have the invoice. You can add a discount, add a shipping fee if needed or not, add a late fee, for example like this, and add a payment schedule. You can attach or add a custom field like attachment, an image file or whatever, and then you can go ahead and see the right side of the screen, which is going to be the setting of the invoices. You can manage the schedule, the payment access or the payment method that is going to be accepted here, credit card, ACH, bank transfer, whatever, and cash app also. Payment options also, you can have here add card on file, for example, of a client did not want to do that. So here we have the customer actions. For example, you can add the tipping, save payment method if the customer could or let them save this payment method. Goods and service confirmation, you can go ahead and put a confirmation. I'm not going to do that. So we can have the reminders, shippings, and the sharing buttons. And then we're going only to send them, and it is going to be sending to the email address that you have input. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.